Now in this video, we'll learn how to send disappearing message on Messenger. So let's get started. First, open up Messenger on your phone. Now select a conversation or start a conversation with someone. Now click on the eye icon on your upper right corner. Scroll down and look for Go to Secret Conversation and tap on it. After that, the messenger will bring you to another secret chat box with the person. Now if you type something down and send it to the person, the message won't be deleted instantly. For the message to disappear, you need to go ahead and click on the eye icon once again. Now go to Disappearing Messages. Now you can select how long would you like the message to disappear after the person has seen it. Here, I'm going to select 5 seconds. Now, if you type something and send the person the message will be deleted after the certain time selected once the person has seen it. This way, you can now send disappearing messages to anyone on Messenger. But if you have to turn off the disappearing mode, you can just go ahead and click on the eye icon once again and go in Disappearing Messages and select the Off option. And now your disappearing mode has been turned off and your message won't be disappeared even after the person has seen it. We hope this video was helpful for you. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.